Hey everyone, it's Donna from Suits. Now, I know what you're thinking. Donna, what could you possibly know about mindfulness? You practically invented multitasking, and you wouldn't be wrong. But even someone like me, always 10 steps ahead, needs a way to hit the reset button sometimes. We all need that little something to bring us back to center, to quiet the noise. And trust me, I know a thing or two about noise. So today I'm going to walk you through the essential components of a mindfulness kit. Think of it as your secret weapon for a calmer, more focused you. Let's dive in. First up, we have the cornerstone of any good mindfulness kit, the mindfulness journal. Now, this isn't just any old diary where you doodle hearts around Harvey's name. This is a dedicated space for you to unpack your thoughts and feelings, especially those pesky ones that tend to trip you up. Think of it like this. Your mind is a courtroom, and those racing thoughts, those doubts, those anxieties, they're the opposing counsel trying to derail your case. The mindfulness journal is where you become your own Perry Mason, examining the evidence, dissecting the arguments, and ultimately building a rock-solid defense for your own well-being. Start by jotting down your experiences, both the good and the, shall we say, character-building ones. What triggered you today? What brought you joy? Don't hold back. This journal is a judgment-free zone. Remember that time I accidentally spilled coffee on Lewis's new suit? Yeah, this journal, it's more discreet than that. And speaking of discretion, make sure you find a journal that speaks to you. Whether it's sleek and sophisticated, like something Jessica Pearson would carry, or a little more whimsical and colorful, like, dare I say, my personality. Find one that makes you actually want to write in it. To make things even easier, I recommend incorporating some prompts. Start with a daily gratitude list. What are 3 things you're grateful for today? It could be something as simple as a perfectly brewed cup of coffee, or as profound as the people who make your life brighter. And don't forget to track your progress. Did you manage to resist that temptation to indulge in your not-so-healthy habit today? Write it down. Celebrate those victories, no matter how small they may seem. Remember, this journal is your confidential sounding board, your safe space to process your emotions, and ultimately, your roadmap to the more mindful and intentional you. Next up, we're bringing in the big guns, or should I say, the calming voices of guided meditation resources. Look, I get it. Meditation can seem a little intimidating at first. You're supposed to sit there and think about nothing. Easier said than done, especially for someone who thrives on mental stimulation like yours truly. That's where guided meditation comes in. Think of it as having your own personal mindfulness coach right in your pocket. These resources, whether they're downloadable audio meditations, apps, or online sessions, are designed to guide you through the process, step by calming step. Now, finding the right guided meditation is like finding the perfect power suit. It needs to fit you just right. Some people prefer soothing nature sounds, while others like myself might gravitate towards more upbeat, empowering tracks. Experiment with different styles and teachers until you find one that resonates with you. There's a whole world of meditation out there, from mindfulness meditations that help you stay present in the moment, to body scan meditations that encourage you to connect with your physical sensations. And for those days when you're feeling particularly stressed, there's a guided meditation for that too. And the best part, you can incorporate these meditations into your daily routine, no matter how hectic it gets. Stuck in traffic? Pop in your headphones and let the calming voice guide you to a more peaceful state. Feeling overwhelmed at work? Sneak in a quick 5-minute meditation at your desk. I won't tell if you don't. Remember, consistency is key. Just like you wouldn't expect to see results from a single workout, don't expect miracles from one meditation session. Make it a habit, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. And watch as your mind becomes calmer, clearer, and more focused. Now, let's talk about those pesky cravings. We all have them, whether it's that irresistible chocolate cake in the break room or the urge to hit the snooze button instead of hitting the gym. And let's be honest, sometimes willpower just isn't enough. But before you throw in the towel, let me introduce you to your secret weapon, breathing exercises. It might sound too simple to be effective, but trust me, there's a reason why these techniques have been practiced for centuries. Breathing is so much more than just taking in oxygen. It's our lifeline to the present moment. When we focus on our breath, we're essentially hitting the pause button on those racing thoughts and overwhelming urges. One of my favorite techniques is the 4-7-8 breathing method. It's simple, discreet, and you can do it anytime, anywhere. Here's how it works. First, find a comfortable position. You can sit with your back straight or lie down. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable. Inhale deeply through your nose for a count of 4. Hold your breath for a count of 7. Exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 8. Repeat this cycle for 4 to 8 breaths. It's like magic, only it's science. This breathing pattern helps to slow down your heart rate, calm your nervous system, and reduce feelings of stress and anxiety, which are often the culprits behind those pesky cravings. I recommend creating little reminder cards with the breathing exercise instructions. Keep them in your wallet, on your desk, or even tucked away in your handbag. That way, whenever you feel a craving coming on, you have your secret weapon at your fingertips. Let's be honest. We could all use a little more positivity in our lives. Am I right? And no, I'm not talking about those cheesy motivational posters with kittens hanging from tree branches. I'm talking about the power of affirmation cards. Think of these cards as your personal pep talks, your daily dose of, "You got this," straight from the Queen of Confidence herself. Each card contains a powerful affirmation, a positive statement designed to reprogram your subconscious mind and boost your self-belief. Now, I know what you're thinking. Donna, this sounds a bit woo-woo, even for me. But trust me on this one. The words we tell ourselves matter. They have the power to either lift us up or tear us down. So why not choose words that empower us, that remind us of our strength and resilience? Start your day by selecting an affirmation card that resonates with you. Read it aloud, let the words sink in, and visualize yourself embodying that affirmation. It could be something as simple as, "I am capable of achieving anything I set my mind to," or "I am worthy of love and happiness." Carry the card with you throughout the day and refer back to it whenever you need a little boost. Post it on your bathroom mirror, stick it on your laptop, or keep it in your wallet as a reminder of your own inner strength. The more you expose yourself to these positive affirmations, the more they'll become ingrained in your subconscious mind, shaping your thoughts, beliefs, and ultimately your actions. In today's digital age, we might as well use technology to our advantage, right? And that's where mindfulness apps come in. Think of them as your pocket-sized mindfulness mentors, available at your fingertips 24/7. Now, I know what you're thinking. Donna, you're advocating for more screen time. Hear me out. These apps are designed to actually reduce stress and promote mindfulness, not add to the digital noise that already bombards us daily. There are countless apps out there, but some of my favorites include Headspace, Calm, and Insight Timer. They offer a wide range of guided meditations, mindfulness exercises, and even sleep stories to help you unwind after a long day. What I love about these apps is their accessibility. Whether you have 5 minutes or an hour, you can find a practice that fits into your schedule. They also track your progress, which can be incredibly motivating and offer personalized recommendations based on your needs and goals. And the best part, many of these apps come with a free trial period, so you can test them out before committing. It's like window shopping for mindfulness, but without the buyer's remorse. So why not give it a try? Download a few apps, explore their features, and see which one resonates with you the most. You might be surprised at how much peace and clarity you can find right at your fingertips. And there you have it, the essential components of your very own mindfulness kit. Now, I know it might seem like a lot to take in, but remember, mindfulness isn't about being perfect. It's about progress, not perfection. Start by incorporating one or two of these tools into your daily routine and see how they make you feel. Maybe you start with a gratitude journal and a 5-minute guided meditation in the morning. Or perhaps you try out a breathing exercise next time you feel a craving coming on. The important thing is to find what works for you and make it a habit. Trust me, your mind, body, and soul will thank you for it. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips.